Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to social online class. Dear children, in the last two classes we have studied chapter 5, right? Yes. Did you go through the book? Can you say what's the topic of the lesson? Indus Valley civilization, right? Yes, it is one of the oldest civilization in the world, right? Yes, it is situated in modern day Pakistan and parts of Gujarat in Rajasthan in India, right? It began around 4500 to 5000 years ago. Two great cities were discovered during the civilization. What are they? Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, right? Harappa was the first city to be discovered, so that this Indus Valley civilization was also known as Harappan civilization. Okay, yes. They worshipped the mother goddess, right? The Indus Valley people worshipped mother goddess. That civilization was ruled by one single ruler, and the cities were built in two parts, the lower town and the upper town. In the lower town, only common people lived. In the upper town, the higher officials and authorities and some important people lived, and the buildings also were very big. Okay, yes. Mohenjo-daro had buildings such as Great Bath, which was like a huge swimming pool. This place was filled with water and it was used during some religious ceremonies. Okay, yes. The towns of the Indus Valley people were well planned. Their roads were neatly laid and each house had a drainage system and it was covered. Right? Each house had a well also apart from the common wells in the city. Then the main occupation of the people was agriculture. Agriculture was the main occupation of the people. And some of them were sailors, carpenters, jewelers and blacksmiths, sculptors and traders also. Okay, yes. Animals such as buffaloes, goats, sheep and camels were also reared. Oxen were used to pull carts and plough their fields. They were excellent mathematicians. They were good in maths. Okay. They were excellent mathematicians. Then in the past times, they used to play dice and marbles and board games, and also cockfighting was their favorite pastime. Okay. Children played with the toys made of clay, wood and stones. Okay. Did you understand the lesson? I hope yes. Did you go through the book? Yes? Okay. Did you fill the book back exercise? Okay. Now, let us see the answers for the book back exercise. Right? Okay. Everyone, please take out your books. Take page number 95 in your book. Page number 95 of chapter 5, that is Roman number 1. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Take your sharp pencils also to write the answers. The first question. Indus Valley civilization is also known as dash civilization. Can you able to tell the answer? Can you able to tell? Yes, Indus Valley civilization is also known as what civilization? Yes, it is Harappan civilization. What's the spelling for Harappan? H-A-R-A-P-P-A-N. Clear? Have you written? H-A-R-A-P-P-A-N. Harappan. Okay. Then we pass on to the next. They worshipped the dash goddess. Question number 2. They worship the dash goddess. Can you guess? They worship the mother goddess, right? Yes. Mother spelling M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. They worship the mother goddess. Clear? Okay. Question number 3. Indus Valley sailors travelled as far as the dash. Indus Valley sailors travelled as far as the, what's the answer? Persian Gulf. P-E-R-S-I-A-N. Persian Gulf. G-U-L-F. Persian Gulf. Have you written the answer? Okay. Question number 4. Their earliest form of writing was through dash script. The earliest form of writing was through dash script. What was it called? Can you remember? Yes, it is pictographic script. What's the spelling for pictographic? P-I-C-T-O-G-R-A-P-H-I-C. Pictographic script. Okay. Question number 5. They were the first to use dash which were sewn onto cloths. They were the first to use dash which were sewn onto cloths. What's that? It is buttons. Okay, B-U-T-T-O-N-S. The answer is buttons. B-U-T-T-O-N-S. Buttons. Then, have you all completed the fill in the blanks? Have you all completed the fill in the blanks? Noted down the answers? Yes? Okay. Now we pass on to the choose the correct answer. Please listen. Roman number 2, choose the correct answer. Roman number 2, choose the correct answer. Okay. The correct answer. Number 1. The city of Dash was discovered in 1922. The 3 options given there are Harappa, Mohenjo-daro and Indus. What's the answer for this? The city of Dash was discovered in 1922. It is Mohenjo-daro. Okay. Please tick the option 2. Okay. Mohenjo-daro. Okay. Now question number 2. They were experts at dash as can be seen from neatly laid roads and drains. They were experts of dash as can be seen from neatly laid roads and drains. The answers are skilled pottery, the town planning and gold mining. Okay, let me read the options again. Skilled pottery, town planning and gold mining. What's the answer? Yes, it is town planning. Okay, have you marked? It is option 2, town planning. Okay. 3. They used dash to pull their carts and plough their fields. They used dash to pull their carts and plough their field. What have they used? What's the answer? The answer is oxen. O-X-E-N. Oxen. Okay, yes. Question number 4. Dash and dash were their favorite pastimes. Dash and dash were their favorite pastimes. What were they? Board games and cockfighting. What's the answer? Board games and cockfighting. The options given there are board games and cockfighting, wrestling and hunting, badminton and cricket. Now what's the answer? Board games and cockfighting. Number 5. Images of animals were engraved on dash. Images of animals were engraved on, what's the answer? Seals. S-E-A-L-S. Seals. Okay. Have you all completed till choose the correct answer? Have you all completed? Fill in the blanks and choose the correct answers. Okay, we have finished. Now, we'll move to the third question, that is match the following. Okay. The following. Yes. You can write the alphabets there. Okay. Yes, see. I have given direct answers here. You can write A, B, C, D like that. Understood? The first question is Indus. What's that? Indus is a river. Okay. Then near river you can mark A. I have given direct answers here. You can mark near the river A. Write A near the river option. That is 5. Okay. Yes. Now second question, Lothal. What is Lothal? It is an important port. Important port. Near that important port you can write as B. Option D. Okay. Now see Harappa. Harappa was the first city to be discovered. In the first city to be discovered, you can write option C in your book. Okay. Then Nippur. Nippur. What's the answer for Nippur? Measuring scale. Okay. You can write near measuring scale option D. Then Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro, the Great Bath. Okay. Near Great Bath, you can write the option E. Okay, have you marked all the answers? Yes. Your options, I can read the number again. D, C, E, B and A. Okay, I have given direct answers here. Understood, children? Indus River, Lothal, important port. Harappa, first city to be discovered. Nippur, measuring scale. Mohenjo-daro, the Great Bath. Okay, understood? Have you all completed the book back exercise? And also read the book again and try to complete the green boxes inside. Okay, you can just underline the answers. That's enough. Okay, yes. Children, please complete the green boxes also. Okay, page number 92. Let me read out the question. The dash was filled with water to be used during religious ceremonies. You have to underline Great Bath. Okay, swimming pool and Great Bath is given. You have to underline Great Bath. Now number 2, the Indus Valley civilization existed in modern day Pakistan. Underline Pakistan and parts of Gujarat. Underline Gujarat. Okay, yes. Gujarat, Rajasthan. That's the answer. Then the cities had 2 parts, the dash and the dash. That is upper town and lower town. Underline that option. Question number 4. One of their gods was dash. Mother, goddess, Lord Pashupati, Shiva. Okay, what's the answer? Mother, goddess. Now take page number 94. 2 questions there. They were excellent dash mathematicians as they used a uniform system of what? Measuring. Used scales for uniform system of measuring. You have to underline mathematicians and scales. Okay? Yes. The second question, they traded with the dash civilization. What? Mesopotamian civilization. Understood? Okay. Have you all understood this chapter, Indus Valley civilization? Yes, children? Yes. Have you all done the fill in the blanks, choose the correct answer, everything? Okay. Yes. After this session, I will send you the notes to you. Please copy down in your classwork note neatly. Okay, children? Please study the daily portions. Obey your parents. Okay? Yes. We'll see you in the next class. Okay, children? Thank you. Study well, stay safe, stay home. Okay, bye.